in my colleague Archana Shukla, who joins us live from Mumbai. So Archana, firstly, talk us through what kind of investment this is.
Well, it's the Adani Family Trust, Mariko, that has sold shares, their stake in 4 group companies to this US-based boutique investment firm GQG. $1.9 billion worth of shares have been sold in Adani Ports, Adani Green Energy, Adani Transmission and Adani Enterprises. These are the 4 companies where stocks have been sold, and they've been sold at a much steeper discount to what they had seen the highs in the last 1 year. But interesting point is that it's the first major investment that has come in after the Hindenburg report. $130 billion of market valuation of the group company has been lost since January 24th when that report was released. And in fact, the company also had to call off a $2.5 billion share sale exercise they were going through at that time. Now, that was put, post which the company has had to lower down and pare their growth momentum in some of the, companies like ports and green energy. They've also had to call off some of the expansion plans and newer projects like green hydrogen. So new investment coming in at this point in time will certainly soothe some investor nerves and maybe bring back some momentum into the company.
But despite this latest investment, though, Archana, Adani Group still is under scrutiny in India, isn't it?
Absolutely, and that is the major overhang, and that scrutiny, in fact, has deepened right now. While the market regulator was already investigating, the Supreme Court now has put a timeline of 2 months for the market regulator to conclude the investigations and also submit a report. And they've, along with the ongoing investigation, they've added certain specifics, like the Supreme Court has asked to check if there were any manipulation of stock prices, if the related party transactions were disclosed or not, and if the public shareholding norms have been followed to the T or not in the entire Adani group companies. They've also formed a 6-member committee to review if investor protection mechanism in the stock markets needs to be strengthened or not after the market went into volatility. So while the promoter group companies are trying to soothe investor nerves, investigation into the companies is certainly deepening.